Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It is available in black, gold and silver color variants. It comes with an aluminium dial and silicone straps. It also comes with Super AMOLED display with customizable always-on watch faces. The smartwatch features a 1.4-inch screen with touch bezels for easy controls. The large display comes with a pure black screen and a minimal border that makes more space for content and notifications. Galaxy Watch Active 2 comes with an IP68 and 5 ATM water and dust resistance rating. It also features military-grade durability, making it suitable for rugged outdoor use. It comes with a compact magnetic wireless charger. It is Android and iOS compatible. Galaxy Watch Active 2 comes with 39 built-in trackers that tracks all your indoor and outdoor activities 24/7. It features 4-stage sleep tracker and stress monitor. It also has a running coach function that gives actionable advice in real time. With a 5 ATM rating, the watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. Inside the box you will find smartwatch, charging dock, travel adapter, strap and quick setting guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.